Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to list Kafka topics, only to realize you don't have access to Zookeeper? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve this issue together. I totally get it. Trying to manage Kafka without Zookeeper can feel like trying to ride a bike with flat tires. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users face this challenge, and it's one of the common hurdles in the Kafka ecosystem. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I list Kafka topics without Zookeeper?" They mentioned that the command they tried was not working. Sound familiar? If so, let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this? In Kafka 0.10, Zookeeper is typically used to manage topics, but there are ways to access topic information without it. We'll break it down step by step so you can get the information you need. And don't go anywhere. I've got a quick workaround at the end that will help you list those topics without Zookeeper. To list Kafka topics without using Zookeeper, the user should utilize the Kafka command line tools directly. First, they need to locate the Kafka installation directory. Next, the user should use the Kafka topics command with the Bootstrap server option. This allows them to connect directly to the Kafka broker. If the user is unsure about the correct Bootstrap server address, they can check the Kafka server configuration file. This file contains the necessary connection details. Finally, after running the command, the user will see a list of all available topics in their Kafka instance. This confirms that they have successfully accessed the topics without Zookeeper. Fun fact, did you know that Kafka was originally developed at LinkedIn? It's now one of the most popular tools for real-time data streaming. Talk about a success story. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user clarifies that Kafka requires Zookeeper to function properly. They explain that the list of topics is stored in Zookeeper, which means the Kafka topics tool must connect to it. They emphasize that a setup without Zookeeper is not possible, as Kafka relies on it internally. To list Kafka topics, you need to start a Zookeeper server first if you haven't done so already. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using Confluent's REST proxy API. You can list Kafka topics by sending a GET request to the proxy address. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative approach suggests using the new admin client API to list Kafka topics, as the Kafka clients no longer require Zookeeper. However, the shell commands haven't been updated to use this API yet. Another option is to use a Kafka as a service provider like Confluent Cloud. This way, you won't have to manage Zookeeper directly. You can simply run the command ccloud topic list to get your topics. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach to list Kafka topics without Zookeeper is to use the Kafka console consumer command. You can specify the Bootstrap server and the topic you want to read from. Remember, the Bootstrap server flag is essential, and you can connect using just one Kafka node if needed. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution suggests that since the Zookeeper option is no longer recognized in Kafka version 3.1.0, you can list topics using the Bootstrap server option. Simply run the command bin kafkatopics.sh list /bootstrap server localhost 992. Here's the quick workaround I promised. Always remember to check your Kafka broker settings. This can save you a lot of time and headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to list your Kafka topics without Zookeeper. Remember, understanding your Kafka setup is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing Kafka performance.